back to my channel. We're back again with the second video, okay? Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Alright, so what you're seeing here is everything that everything that I have used to create this look. And the only thing that you don't see here is like a brush, like a thick brush, you know, the coarse haired brush. And so I didn't have one of those, but what I did was I used like a round brush, and you'll see it in the video. But yeah, that's what I used. And then I'm gonna have, like, you see the before picture. That's a before picture. And then yeah, we go straight in with the combing, the brushing. I sprayed her hair down with water, and then we went from there. Alright, so just in case you didn't notice, I did go in with that black wide tooth comb first, and then afterwards I went in with the powder brush just to like make sure her hair is actually like combed out, you know, very well. So yeah. Alright, so the gel that I'm using here, not gonna lie to you, I picked it up from the dollar store, and the reason why is because I used to use it for when I had my hair cut really short and I was doing like finger waves. Also, if it looks like I'm being rough with her, I promise I'm not. It's just the, like, you know, when you speed up the video, everything looks more aggressive. And this is the brush that I was talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch this. The reason why I go in with the dollar store gel is to kind of create like a base or a foundation for me to work on with the real gel. So I go in with the Gorilla Snot right here, as you can see, and the dollar store gel kind of just creates that, it just brings her hair up so that I can really set it into place. So now that I kind of have everything the way that I want it, I kind of use this scarf, we'll call it, to, like, you know, lay down the root of her hair. And then I adjust the bun portion, and you're going to see that in a little bit. Once I adjust the bun and I tie it back up the way that, you know, I want it to be, then I'll go in and I'll add the Kanekalon hair or the braiding hair, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so what I'm doing here is basically just showing you like the length of the braiding hair. And so I took a portion, and what I'm gonna do right now is show you how I was able to loop the hair onto the ponytail holder. It's actually a lot harder than I thought to explain, but I hope it makes sense. And then what I did was I, just like a regular ponytail holder, I just looped it onto the bun, and I tried to double loop it, but there wasn't enough space. So what I'm doing now is braiding the hair just to make like a little braid, which will be the base.
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? You got a staring problem, pal?
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Dumb little face.
Yo, Zan, get your boy, dog.
So now that the braid is complete, you're gonna see me do is wrap it around her natural hair, and the purpose of this is to create more of a cushion or a more solid base for me to finish up the rest of the bun. Also, you don't want when you're sticking bobby pins in, you don't want to keep like creating that tension on your hair. So this helps like alleviate that a little bit. Alright, so the same thing that you saw me do with the braiding hair is what I'm about to do now. So hopefully if you didn't understand it before, this will, be a better explanation. Also, shameless plug, my t-shirt is from my friend Jolise. I'm gonna tag her Instagram in my bio, so you could definitely check her out, follow her. You know what I mean? That's my girl. She's lit. Okay, period. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this the last time that I interrupt, but we're almost done. So I just want to comment on how I brush out the hair. That's really important because otherwise you're gonna have like these thin spaghetti pieces, strands of hair, like trying to wrap it around a bun and make it look full and actually cover the braid. It's just a lot. So just brush out the hair. Just brush out the hair. If you don't want to brush it out, you can, finger comb it, whatever you gotta do, but you want to make sure that you wrap the hair around kind of like how I just did, and you want to take it section by section, not too thick, not too small, and just wrap it around the hair. You don't want the braid to be showing, you want to cover it up as much as possible, and then freestyle. That's what I was basically doing from this point forward. I kind of like to have, the thick pieces out a little bit, but not too much. You don't want it to be too chunky, but you kind of want it to look like a messy bun, but like sleek. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So yeah. All right, so I lied. I'm back again. But last time for real, I was trying to get a little spicy in the back here. It just wasn't giving what it needed to give. So we just, we had to let that go. But if you made it this far, I want you to please do me a favor and leave a really, really, really nice comment in the comments below, letting my little sister know how pretty she looks. Okay. Shout out to her for allowing me to, you know, use her as my little model demonstration. Hopefully we'll see more of her. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.